Have aliens ever visited us? This question has stirred intrigue and fascination for centuries. From ancient myths and legends to modern-day science fiction, the notion of intelligent extraterrestrial life captivates our collective imagination. Despite our curiosity, we're still lacking solid scientific evidence to support the existence of such beings. There's no denying the allure of the unknown, the thrill of the what-ifs. While we haven't confirmed their existence, the universe's vastness leads us to ponder the possibility. The universe is a vast expanse with billions of galaxies, each containing billions of planets. Such a grand scale is hard to fathom, isn't it? Yet within this cosmic sprawl, there could be planets with conditions conducive to life. We know that life on our blue planet evolved under very specific circumstances, but who's to say that life in other forms couldn't thrive under different conditions elsewhere in the universe? Scientists are tirelessly scanning the cosmos, looking for signs of extraterrestrial life. We've sent probes to Mars, our neighbouring planet, in the hope of finding microbial life. We've launched telescopes into space to study distant planets around other stars, known as exoplanets. Some of these exoplanets exist in the Goldilocks zone, an area not too hot, not too cold, but just right for liquid water to exist, a key ingredient for life as we know it. But the universe is not just about the physical conditions. It's also about time. The universe is roughly 13.8 billion years old. A planet that may have been barren billions of years ago could now be teeming with life. Or on the contrary, a planet that once harboured life could now be lifeless. Given the size and diversity of the universe, the existence of extraterrestrial life remains a possibility. A tantalizing possibility indeed. Yet, until we have concrete evidence, the question of whether we are alone in the universe remains one of the greatest mysteries of all time. Reports of unidentified flying objects, or UFOs, often spark speculation about extraterrestrial involvement. Over the years, numerous sightings have been reported, each one adding a new layer of intrigue to this enigmatic issue. Take the famous Roswell incident of 1947, for instance. What was initially reported as a crashed flying saucer later turned out to be a weather balloon, according to US military officials. Or the Rendlesham Forest incident of 1980, where US Air Force personnel reported seeing strange lights in the forest, only to be explained later as a combination of bright stars and a nearby lighthouse. Then there's the Phoenix Lights event of 1997, a series of widely cited, unidentified lights observed in the skies over Arizona, Nevada, and the Mexican state of Sonora. Skeptics and experts alike have suggested explanations ranging from military flares to atmospheric conditions. These accounts, while fascinating, highlight a common theme. The explanations behind these sightings often lie within our understanding of the world, rather than in the far reaches of the cosmos. They serve as reminders of our natural desire to seek out the extraordinary, even in the face of the ordinary. While these incidents are intriguing, they are often based on explainable phenomena or natural occurrences. So as we gaze at the stars and ponder the existence of intelligent life beyond Earth, we should remember to keep our feet firmly on the ground of scientific evidence. To visit us, aliens would need to overcome a series of technological and physical challenges. A journey of such epic proportions would challenge even the most advanced civilizations with hurdles that seem insurmountable with our current understanding of physics and technology. First and foremost, to traverse the vast intergalactic distances, aliens would have to conquer the speed of light, the fastest known entity in the universe. Light zips through space at an impressive 300,000 kilometers per second. Unless extraterrestrials possess the technological prowess to surpass this cosmic speed limit, the journey to Earth would take an inconceivable amount of time. Secondly, the concept of bending space and time might be more than just fodder for sci-fi movies. According to Einstein's general relativity theory, it's theoretically possible to distort the fabric of space-time, potentially creating shortcuts known as wormholes. If alien civilizations have cracked the code to manipulate space-time, they could potentially make their journey quicker and more feasible. Thirdly, the energy requirements for intergalactic travel are astronomical. The sheer amount of power needed to propel a spacecraft across galaxies would dwarf our current energy resources. Aliens would need to have access to incredibly efficient and sustainable energy sources, far beyond what we can currently comprehend. Communication is another significant challenge. Any signals sent from distant galaxies would face immense delays, even if they traveled at the speed of light. This time, lag would complicate real-time communication and make intergalactic travel a lonely endeavor. Lastly, there's the question of adaptability. Earth's atmosphere, gravity, and biological factors present a unique challenge for any visiting extraterrestrials. They'd need advanced technologies to cope with these conditions and ensure their survival during an extended visit. These factors represent challenging technological and physical barriers that aliens would need to address to visit us. Overcoming these hurdles would require a level of advancement that seems almost inconceivable to us. Yet we can't entirely rule out the possibility. After all, the universe continues to surprise us in the most unexpected ways. As intriguing as the subject of aliens is, it remains filled with uncertainties. The vast cosmos around us is still largely unexplored, and every new discovery brings with it a flood of new questions. It's like trying to solve a complex puzzle with an infinite number of pieces, where each piece we find leads us to realize that there are even more pieces to the puzzle than we thought. In this grand quest, future scientific developments hold the promise of shedding more light on these questions. As we speak, scientists around the globe are already working tirelessly, exploring the cosmos, studying distant celestial bodies, and analyzing data from advanced telescopes. With every satellite we launch, every probe we send into the abyss of space, we inch closer to understanding the mysteries of the universe. One of the key areas of research is the search for exoplanets, planets outside our solar system that could potentially harbor life. With the help of cutting-edge technology, scientists have already discovered thousands of these exoplanets, some of which are in the habitable zone, where conditions might be right for life as we know it. Moreover, the exploration of Mars, our neighbour, is currently in full swing. Rovers like Perseverance are scouring the Martian surface, looking for signs of past or present life. Who knows, the first proof of extraterrestrial life might come from our own cosmic backyard. On the other hand, the study of extremophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme conditions on Earth, is providing insights into what forms of life might exist in the harsh conditions of other planets. By understanding these resilient life forms, we are expanding our definition of what is necessary for life and where it could exist. In the realm of theoretical physics, concepts like wormholes and the bending of space-time offer potential solutions to the challenges of interstellar travel. While these theories are still in the realm of speculation, they provide a framework for future exploration and discoveries. While we do not have the answers now, the search for extraterrestrial life continues. We stand at the cusp of new frontiers, venturing into the unknown, driven by our insatiable curiosity. The journey may be long, and the answers may not come easily, but the pursuit of knowledge is a journey in itself, and who knows what we may discover in the future.